good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now go around. Keep going. Just shake. Oh, he clearanced it. It's pretty cool, man. So, you did the downpipe yourself?
Well, a pipe, yeah.
I guess it's up now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's really a downpipe.
Yeah, technically. No, it's mounted by actual manifold right there, and then this is. I was gonna actually make another mount to go off right here to hold this perfectly straight, but I didn't really need to. Once I clamped it, it was fine. It doesn't move.
When did it take you to do this?
It was about a year of figuring stuff out.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. I like it. It looks good. What year is it?
This is a 04.
04? Slam, dude. What kind of suspension?
It's on some Raceland coilovers.
Yeah.
They're cheap. Well, the Altimos, which are, I guess, more expensive.
Guys, getting ready to take this ride in the TDI. Well, actually, the Audi with the TDI swap. Don't wreck, bro. Don't go too hard.
Don't worry.
I really don't want to drive that fast. So people probably think we're driving too fast. So we're not going to get into RPMs until we get out. Now go around, keep going. We're gonna go down House Road real quick. I like it. I like it.
It's just fun. Really. It's just really, really fun.
Oh, that way. Whatever way you want to go. We'll come back up there later. This is something. You are something else. You know that? You are something. I thought it sounded like it was gonna run good, didn't it?
It did. It sounded like it, and then
you are something else. You know that?
No.
You are something else.
Something just wanted to break, I guess. That's how it goes.
Wondering, was I leaking power steering fluid again?
All right, so this man's over here.
You tell him, man.
Went on a drive. Right? Look at this exhaust. Look at this hokey pokey shit right here. What do you guys say for yourself?
Dude, it worked. It worked. Look, check me out.
Does that look like it worked?
Hey, look, put me back on.
Back on.
It worked until it didn't work. But we're gonna make it work again.
Now you got your exhaust on the ground, looking like a fool with your exhaust on the ground.
Hey, we're about to make it work again. That's the new slogan for my channel. Make it work again. All right, I will see y'all later.
So we're fixing this exhaust.
Oh man, it's fucking close to the ground.
Way too close.
So what I need,
Need a short socket on it,
possibly,
a regular socket.
yeah, but eventually I'm going to put a deep one on there to crush it.
Oh yeah.
How did I get this on here?
I don't know. Why is it on there solid now, but you didn't even tighten it up yet?
Right. Ain't that a bitch? How did that happen? That's what happened. We never tightened it.
Yeah.
We did tighten it.
Well, yeah, we did actually. I think you re-tightened it.
I think I have to put the other.
You tried moving it a different way, and
Just being 100 with you, like, I feel much safer under ramps.
even though it's got this
Even though they're plastic.
Pittsburgh name on it.
Yeah, even though they're plastic. We have a hammer in there on the toolbox. Can you grab it? I don't think it's on there very well. All right, y'all. We back in the game. See how she does. One headlight, of course. That's how we're doing it right now. But got a little bit of an exhaust leak, but after putting it on the road, we came to some discovery, man. My throttle position sensor ain't working. Every time I get a throttle, it's bucking down, but it's not showing up on here, so it makes me think the computer is not seeing my throttle position sensor. So I don't know if maybe it's not pinned in there correctly or what, but I'm not getting throttle position sensor. Grocery store, and you know, just.
I like your G-body, man.
Hey, thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
What's it got underneath?
LS.
Oh, is it complete LS?
Yeah.
5.3 or 5.7?
5.3.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You gonna boost it?
Hopefully.
It's got an iron block. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's got a small cam in there.
Did you used to live near Shawnee Hills?
No, I've lived everywhere though. I've lived in Delaware, Lewis Center, everywhere.
Do you have a brother named Rick?
No.
No, you look like my buddy's brother who used to own G-bodies all the time, but I haven't seen him since high school.
Oh yeah.
So that's why I was like, is that Rick's brother?
I actually got a Regal too. So
Oh, nice.
yeah, we got another G body.
I got a C4 Corvette. That
Nice.
I'm planning on LS swapping. I'm
Yep.
tired of the Hobby Spark problems.
Hey, it's worth it. This is the first time I've taken it out. It's still very much raw. It still needs tuned,
Oh yeah.
but it's still got the truck intake, truck alternator, everything is
Are you using HP tuners or are you using
yep.
Holly? HP?
HP tuners. So
Oh yeah, man.
yeah,
It's
buddy.
gonna be nice, man. I like
Thank
it.
you. Thank you. Yep, so we up here at Costco, and yeah, we finally made it, you know. Made it out the house, took it down the street. This is about 10 miles from the house right now. And not looking too bad, you know. Still got some stuff in there, but we gotta clean it up a little bit. Got the computer over there. Y'all stay tuned.